All right, so now is finally that magical time of the year where you get to go into like your garage or under your bed or in your storage room and pull out all your spring and summer clothes. But I'm still gonna go through my summer stuff and I'm gonna make two piles. The like I definitely can't live without this pile, and the maybe not this one. I don't think I need this pile. Hopefully my straight up love of summer is not going to overtake me and I end up with one pile of crap that I need to try on and then be like, ugh. Okay, on to the main event. This is a lot, but all of this bad boy is my summer clothing. And oh my gosh, I'm looking in the side and I can already see a tag of something I haven't worn. Yay. Okay, so, we'll start with shorts. These were my best loved shorts last year. Disclaimer, when I make my keep pile, I'm going to try everything on. I won't do a video of that, but I will take some pictures of some of the things that I keep and put them on my Instagram. But some of these that end up in the yes pile may go depending on if they fit or not. But I bought these last year. Like I said, I'm not a huge fan of shorts, but I do like to have them because it gets to be like over 100 degrees here and like you can't, like I wear dresses, but it's too hot for like life. So there are those. I like these ones too. These ones are super cute. They're striped. And they have big old pockets on the front. They're so cute. They're not high-waisted. I don't know why I did that. But they're, I guess they're a little high. I don't know. I don't remember. I don't remember summer. Okay. Is that all my shorts? Oh, no. These are my favorite shorts. Sorry, all other shorts. But these are my favorite. They are from 3. However long ago I worked at H&M in the summer. So it was probably like 3 years ago. But they are like, they're a light material and they're just so comfortable. You can wear them high-waisted, you can wear them low. They are like breathable, wonderful. I love these shorts. They're my favorite. Next we've got pants. And I got these last year at the beginning of the summer. They are linen and they are so cute. You're like, they look like pajama pants. Spoiler alert, yes they do, and I love them. So I'm definitely keeping these. Uh-oh, I'm only ending up with one pile. But these ones are my favorite. Do I have any in there? No, I took these out of there. These ones are my favorite, like, wide leg, bohemian-y pants. So these ones are my favorite. Oh, I apologize for my struggle city time right now because when I edit this, I'm going to leave all of my struggles in because I've been getting reviews from people who I know who watch my videos and they're like, you're so like restrained in your videos, and they loved when I said my outfit was like a mullet outfit in the last video because that's how I normally talk. I'm actually quite strange, so getting strange. Take that, Jessica. And also Rachel. I got these last year and they are wrinkly as hell. So I think I'm going to try to sell these at Plato's. They are capris and they have little pockets. I got these from H&M too. They're really comfortable, but they're so wrinkly and like ain't nobody got time for wrinkles. And I got them because of the color. They're like a hunter green color. Oh my gosh, there are more shorts in here. Okay, so everybody needs a pair of denim shorts, but since I bought those other ones, I'm going to get rid of these. Maybe, I don't know, these are really comfortable. I'm going to try them on. Okay, yeah, but these are really cute. Okay, these shorts I bought at the end of last summer, and I'm going to keep them. I need to cut this off, though, because they're so cute. Like the lace, I was so into the lace shorts all last year. Like, they're so cute, and they make your butt look big. So, yeah, these are definitely keepers. Holy crap. Oh! Oh, I totally, oh my God, I forgot I bought these right before the freaking, I bought these right in fall. I totally forgot. I did an Instagram story where I tried them on. They're so cute. They're from Topshop, maybe. Yep, Topshop, which is not eco-friendly, sorry. That was before I did this. That was last year before I decided that I was gonna be better at humaning. But I did buy these and I'm so excited to have them. Ho, 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 ho. So many overalls. Yay! I also have an assortment of crop tops. As I said before, I'm not about showing my belly, but like in those pants, in some of those high-waisted shorts, I do like to wear crop tops, not to show off like the one strip of skin, but just to not have to tuck in a giant long shirt. So usually I buy my crop tops a little oversized for me so that they're longer, because they don't usually seem to like extend out, they just are longer. But so I have, and a lot of these are just basic, actually I think almost all of them are like basics from H&M, because like I said previously, I used to work there. So when you see all my H&M stuff, most of it I bought when I worked there. And I love H&M, and they are making strides towards conscious creation of their garments. It's not 100% like, oh, they're doing like leaps and bounds and like amazing things, but they are trying to put things in place. So I think we should give them props for that. But I digress. So I just have like the tank toppy one, and then I have a bunch that are like the tee-back ones, like if we're talking about bras. So like I have a white one, and I have a gray one that's the same as that one, and I have, these are where my long sleeve ones went. Dang it, I was looking for these. So these normally live in my winter clothes, the ones that have long sleeves, this one and I think this one, yeah. Because I like to wear them under like heavy sweaters and stuff, so that I'm not like I said before, like I don't have a whole bunch of bunching like t-shirt on the bottom. Dang it. Crap. Maybe a couple weeks of these can still rock, but we'll see. And then this one just has like the lace detail, and it's cute. So I am going to keep all those. Crap, I'm going to keep everything, aren't I? Oh, here's another one from H&M that's like more flopsy. Yes, flopsy, like a bunny. My other big love, jumpsuits and rompers. So here's a romper that I like. Ooh, crap, I bought another one too. Is it in here? No. I don't know where it went. It's lost. But here's this one. This is from Pink. And then I have this one that is actually like a swim cover-up, but I just wear it as like a regular romper. It's cute. It's kind of thicker though, so when it's hot, you might not want to wear it because it's really kind of heavy actually. Oh, here's another crop top. Here's another crop top. This one's like dirty and gross, so I might actually just recycle this because, yep, it's kind of gross, and I actually didn't wear it at all year last year, but it is cute. So that one will go to the recycle bin. Haha, more things in the recycle. Oh, this is a top I bought at the end of the summer last year. It is so cute. There are pictures of me wearing it on my Instagram. It is longer, and yes, it is a top. I would not wear it as a bottom because it's like real close to like the end of your butt, but like it's so cute. Yep, and I'm gonna hang all these up after this video. This top's really cute too. I bought it at the end of the year last year. It's so cute. I think in my banner on my blog and maybe my Instagram. No, my Instagram doesn't have a banner. On my blog and possibly YouTube channel, I'm wearing this, but it's so cute. It's so cute. Another top that I think I bought and like didn't wear, so I'm gonna get rid of this one. It's cute, but I didn't wear it. This top I thrifted back when I was in undergrad, so like 8 years ago. That sounds right. But I do really love this one too. It's just another Can you tell that I like halter neck summer tops that are high-low? But I just like it because it has a pattern. It's really colorful. If you haven't noticed, the difference between my winter things and my summer things is color. In the winter, I've decided that color is dead, you know, just like life. Here's another one that I got that's the same kind of style. I should probably go through these to get rid of them. But I bought it because of the back. It's so cute. It's the same color pattern too. Dang it, I should get rid of one. I'm gonna see which one I want. I'm gonna Cladwell see which one that I want to keep. But it's really cute. Well, here's another pair of pants. And these are just the black ones. I knew I had black ones in here somewhere. But these are just, so whereas the other ones were like colorful black ones, I wear these ones to work a lot in the spring because they are flowy. They do have pockets for your expo markers. Yes, expo markers live in my pockets. I frequently come home with expo markers in my pockets. And now I think we're into dress land. So summertime is dress time to me for two reasons. One, it is beautiful and gorgeous and hot outside. And two, they're easy to do. And I'm lazy as all get out in the summer. So I'm going to pull out the dresses. So I'm going to do dresses. Okay. So this one, I will actually probably just have to try on all of these. But this dress is so pretty. It was from Old Navy last summer. And it is just, it's wrinkly now, but it's beautiful. It's like, throw a jean jacket over that bad boy and you are ready to go. This dress I will probably get rid of. I do like it, but I've had it for so long. This one might be a Plato's one because I have taken really good care of it, and it is a little big. But I think I actually got this from Hannah. Hannah, did I get this from you? But it's really cute. It's like it's a maxi. And it's comfortable, but I think I haven't enough maxis. I'm not allowed to keep anymore. Because, here's another one. This one's really cute too. It's got flowers on it. And I really like this one because it's more transitional because it's black. So I can wear this in like now in March and it's not like weird. Like, why is she wearing a spring dress in March? So that one's nice. Are these more pants? I think these, what are you? Oh no, this is a dress. This is my other maxi dress that I've had for a long time, but I will keep because it is more fancy. When, I didn't go last summer, but when we go to like wineries all summer, we'll have like live music around here. And so I like to get dressed up to go. But, this one's really cute and it has like a super low back. I really like this one. It's nice. Here's another dress that actually I think I'm going to donate because I bought it. I don't know when I bought it. I think I did buy it last summer and I wore it once. And it's really cute. It is very short and it has little bell sleeves. Surprise. But I just didn't wear it. And I want it to go to somebody who will wear it because it's super cute and somebody should wear it, but it's not me that's wearing it. Here's another like play suit romper business that's it's like capris, and actually I've worn this to work too because it has pockets and it's super cute and I love it. So I'm definitely keeping this because it's a work to outside of work outfit. Okay, here's a dress that has a tag on it, which I am probably going to take to Plato's Closet because it is so cute. I've obviously never worn it, but I haven't never worn it. Like, it's so cute. Never worn it. And I bet if I try it on right now, it won't fit, and that will make me depressed. So I will not do that. I have a couple dresses in here that I've had for a long time. And they're mostly, like, they have just been washed to all get out, so they need to be recycled. This one was like a go-to for years. Like, I wore it constantly, and as was this one. They're both from H&M. They're really comfortable, but I mean, they've outlived their lives. Oh, this is cute. Does it have a tag on it? Yes. So, story, I went to like a billion weddings last year. I was in 2, and I went to a couple other ones, and so I have a whole bunch of like dresses that I bought because because I was like, I could wear this to a wedding, and then I didn't end up wearing them. But I really like this one. Maybe Easter. Maybe this is the Easter dress. Because it is cute. I love this color, like the mint green. So I'm going to give this one a go. Yes, I'm going to do that. What else is in here? Oh, this dress. This dress is sexy, but I probably won't wear it again. I think my biggest thing with shopping is like I'll see something and I'm like, oh, I can wear that to this thing. Like wedding guest dresses. And then I wear it to the thing and then I never ever wear it again. So this dress is one of those things and it is so freaking cute. And yes, this is the front with the big hole in it. And it's short and it has these little sleeves. It's so, so cute. I bought it at a boutique, I think. And I wore it to, I want to say Tim McGraw Faith Hill when I went. And then I never wore it again. And it shouldn't stay and live in here when it could go to some nice person who will wear it to more things than Tim McGraw Faith Hill. Oh, and look, another maxi dress. This is kind of just like a dress review. This dress is also from H&M. It's so cute. I love mustard yellow. Yay. Oh my god, this video is turning out so weird. Everyone's going to be like, oh, gross. I do love it. I'm keeping that. That's all I have to say about that. This one I got at the end of the summer, and it is yellow, and I really like it. It's springy. I think I'll need to wear a slip under it because it is really light yellow, so I will do that. But this is totally school wear appropriate, which I think is necessary for a few of my Oh, it has pockets! Holy cow! Discoveries. But yeah, this one is a good one for school, so I will for sure keep this. And if I end up not wearing it for all of April and May, then it will go out of here. Okay, just two more. The strapless dress. I bought this last summer and I haven't gotten a chance to wear it yet, but it is strapless. It's super cute. It's got stripes. It matches my phone case. For those of you who look at my phone selfies, it matches my phone case. And then this one is also a school one that I like that is striped. It's a midi, and it is form-fitting, which is why I haven't worn it a lot. But it goes past the knee. It's so cute with a jean jacket. A jean jacket is my go-to spring accessory always, so keep that in mind. So there's my empty tote. There's my keep pile. There's my sell pile, and back there is my recycle pile. So, still got a lot of work to do. I'm going to try everything on and decide what I want to keep, and then I will edit this video, and then I will put it up on the internet. But first, I'm going to check to make sure this is still recording, because I just had a panic attack. Okay! We're still recording. Okay, good. My panic of like, ugh, did it stop recording? I don't know.